Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to show you how to make the point of sale system sales part using Java and MySQL. Let us show the demo first. This is the sales part of the point of sale system. Here I am going to enter the product code and press enter key. Relevant product details should be displayed here. Product name and price. Here you have to give the quantity for how much quantity you are going to buy the ice. So 2, here is a total should be display here. If it is 3, it's automatically created the amount. Now let us add here. If you add here, item should be added into the data table here. Here total should be displayed here. If you are enter the another item, press enter key, and here you have to calculate 2 or 3, click, it will be displayed here. Total should be displayed here. Now if you are going to pay the bill and click print bill, your simple billing information will be displayed here, right? Your bill should be look like this, right? The simple system how to do step by step in Java. Let me see. Okay, let's close the demo. Now let's go to the file, new project, Java, next. If it is check it in NetBeans here like this, create main class like this, you have to uncheck it, this one. Here you have to give the name as, I'm going to create as sales, right? This is the product name I'm going to give. So project name I'm going to give, click finish. Your project has been created successfully. Other project you have to close. If you open it, this is your project which name is sales. Your project folder consists of 2 folders, source package and libraries. So first what I'm going to do is here I'm going to select the source package, this one. Here default package, we have to change this one as a, change the name as, right click, new, Java package, give the name as sales, right? That's the stuff you have to give, right? After that what I'm going to do is the important stuff here, libraries. I have to add the MySQL libraries here, right? So we have to add the MySQL libraries in order to connect with MySQL server and NetBeans. So here go to the Google and here we have to type MySQL Connector for Java, right? This one, right? If you type, there will be the first link. You just click on this one. It goes to the relevant website. This is the website. You come down, there will be the this one, platform independent zip. There will be the file MySQL Connector Java zip file, right? Click download and download this file, right? If you click this one, it goes to the website like look like this. Here there will be the 2 choice, login and sign up. You no need to click on this stuff. You just click on this link. No thanks, just start my download, right? You just click on this one, it start to download your zip file, MySQL Connect zip file here. I no need to download, I already download in my machine, so I just cancel it. You must download this one, right? After downloaded, I have put into my E drive for that connector. So I'm going to this one, MySQL Connector for Java, this one, right? Here it if you download it, it's become a zip file. You have to extract them. If you extract it, it's coming as a normal folder, look like this. Here this one should be the connector, right? This one should be, you have to import into your project, right? Go to the MySQL here. This is your project sales. Select the library, right click, add jar folder. Go to the location of the MySQL connector. I have installed in my E drive. So here go to the E drive, MySQL connector. I here like double click on this one. These 2 relevant file, you have to select both, or on the control key and select both and open it, right? It successfully, here it successfully added the library, right? This is the steps we have to do first, right? Okay. After that, what I'm going to do is go to the MySQL. Here I am using the exam server. If you are not installed the exam server, you have to install the exam server. Okay, and you have to install the exam server and you have to start this one, exam server. After that, you have to go to the localhost. If you go to the localhost, this is the localhost dashboard of exam server. MySQL, PHP, myadmin. Here I am going to create the database. So new. Here I am going to give the database name as Salesforce. Just I give the name as Salesforce. Right. Create. Your database has been created, which name is Salesforce. Inside the database, I am going to create the table, which is product. Product table consists of only 4 columns. Go. Right. Here I am going to create the product ID. So I am going to here ID. Right here is varchar. Right, like this. After that, this one should be product name. Product name, PROD name, product name, varchar. After that, price. We need only 3 columns. We need, right? Price, right? 11, int 11, right? We don't need these columns. You just click save, right? Please save. You successfully save your 3 columns. Product table consists of product name, product ID, product name, and price. This is a simple one, right? Now here, what I am going to do is here, go back to my project, go to this sales. This one will be a project. Go to the source package, sales. This is the package. Right click, new, JFrame form. Here I am going to create as this one as a post, class as post, create, finish. Right. This is your empty page. Now let's design the form. So here we have to increase the size, look like this, right? Okay, perfect. Now first what I am going to do is here I am going to get one panel and drag on the frame here. This one I am going to create this one as a sales, right? So here first right click, properties. Here we have to here border, no border. Here click on this one, this property, title border, right? You have to give us this one, sales, right? Sales. You have to increase the size of that one. Is a font is bold with 14th, and color I am going to change this one as a title is white, right? Now you can't see the color of that one. It's easy. So here click on this one. I am going to change the panel background color as a blue. This blue I am going to change, right? Now you will be able to see the color, right? It's a nice look. Now let's do like this, increase the size like this, right? Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to add the product name, this one, right? Here first one should be product name, this one should be product name, sorry, product code, product name, quantity, price, and total. Final one should be total, right? So this one, select this one, right click, edit. Here you have to write as a product code. Product code. Second one should be product name. Product name. This one should be quantity. Third one should be quantity. This one should be price. This one should be total, right? This is the thing we have to do first, right? Now let's do the task. We need to arrange them, right? Now here we have to increase the size of the font. Select this, hold on the control key and select all the labels and right click, properties, font. I am going to change this one as a 15. Let I give the size as 60 or 15. Let's give as 15. Click OK. Sorry, 15 width we have to select as bold. You can check the size like this. If you want to increase, you will be able to increase the size. If you feel to give the size as 16, you will be able to give 16. Click OK. Now what I'm going to do is here, font color, I'm going to change foreground color white. Click OK. Now you will be able to see it like this. Simple, right? Very simple. You have to select like this, right? Now here I'm going to put the appropriate text fields for that, right? First one should be product code. We need a text field for that. You have to put the text field here, arrange that like this, right? Second one should be the same text field. You Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. You get the copy of that. This one same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste and get the copy. This one no needed. Here price we need it, and price we need the box. Total, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. We need this one also. Well, now you have to arrange them for fields, right? That's the stuff we have to do, right? The quantity, what I'm going to do is here, I need to get the spinner tool from the palette and drag here, right? You have to arrange like this. That's a simple one you have to do. Spine, right? Simple, right? This is a thing you have to do, right? Now here right click, give the size as font color. When the person type on these text boxes, the font size should be, you have to change. So select hold down the control key and select all the boxes, this one, and right click, properties. You have to change this font as with bold with 15th. 15 now we just click as 14th size, right? All stuff changed successfully here. Select all, select this one, hold on the control key down and select. You have just select the mouse click and you have to select and change the right click and change the font, right? Look like this. Okay, that's the stuff you have to do, right? If you select one by one, it takes too much time to complete the process, right? It's very easy. Now I need one button also. Drag the one button from the palette and drag here. Right click, edit. This one should be add. The name, right click, properties, font should be 14th, right? That's the stuff you have to do. Now let's run the program and check what happened. Here it's successfully running successfully. When the form is run, it come at the center. Select this one, right click, properties. You have to code generate center. Now we have to, when the form is run, it come at the center, right? Perfect, right. Perfectly done. Now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to get the another design here. So here what I'm going to do is, let's get the sales here, right? It's enough. Now I'm going to get the, simply you have to, extra spaces we have to remove. No need extra spaces, right? You have to arrange like this, right? And this one we have to size, right? Now here what I'm going to do is, I just increase the frame size little bit here on the right hand corner. You have to increase the frame size little bit. You have to increase the right side. Okay, after that here we need to drag one panel from the palette here, just like this. Okay, you have to need a panel, right? Okay, right. Here I need to, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to drag the one label here. This one should be, name it as a total. This one we have to change this one as a label, change it as amount. This one should be amount, right? Price, and you calculate the price and amount, right? This one we have to change it as an amount, right? So fine, right? This one should be, you have to total. This is a final total should be there here, right? Total, and we need one text box. The same text box we are just Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Get the copy of that. You can get the copy. We have to change the, finally you can change the name. Okay, so here after that we need to change the font size, font. So properties 14th, 15th. We have to select this one as a 15th. We have to give 15th. Click OK. Sorry, width, bold, we can give, right? Right, simple, right? After that, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to get like this. This one you have to, right? Now here, after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to the same thing. You have to Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be pay. It's a pay amount. Pay amount. This same text box, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. After that, the same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste again. This one should be balance. This one should be balance amount, right? After that, select the text box, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and get another copy, and you have to put like this. It's a very simple design, right? Very simple design of the point of sales, right? You have to arrange them in the order, right? Right. Okay, simple, right? Now here, now let's run and check the things here. Very simple, it's nice user interface, right? Now I'm going to design the table below and receipt, right? Now here, go to the palette. I'm going to get one table from the palette and drag here, right? Drag here. So here, how many columns we needed? So we have to get how many columns we needed. So we have to get like here, right? Here first I get, right click, table contents. Only we need 5 columns. So here first I'm going to create this one as a product ID. Product ID should be, we have to select as this one should be string. Second one should be product name. Product name, second column, this one should be string. Third one should be quantity. This one should be integer. Price, integer. We need one more columns. Click insert to get another column. This one should be amount. This one should be integer. You have to get the column like this, right? That's the thing you have to do, right? Simple. You have to get look like this, right? Now these rows we have to remove them. Right click, table contents, columns, rows, select, delete, select, delete, select, delete, select, delete, right? Close it. That's the stuff you have to do. Now you have to right get like this, right? Simply you have to get like this, right? After that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create the simple receipt below, right? Here you have to create the simple receipt below, right? Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to get the simple receipt. Right, perfect. Go to the palette, get one text area, this one text area, and drag on your form like this. Text area you have to drag here. This one should be your receipt, right? Now let's run the application and check. This is your nice user interface design, right? Now let's go to the code part and do the task. First I'm going to change the text box name of that. So So select the text box, first one, right click, edit. You have to remove the text here. So here right click, after that change variable, you have to change this one as txt pcode. Pcode means product code, change like this. Second one should be, select this one, right click, change variable txt pname. Pname means product name, and right click, edit text, backspace to remove them. Select the quantity, this one, right click, change variable txt quantity. This one should be right click, edit text, remove them, backspace to remove them. This one should be right click, change variable txt price. This one should be, select this one, right click, change variable txt amount, and right click, edit text, remove them. Right, same thing here as well, right click, change variable txt total. This one should be the final total, right click, edit text. This one, right click, edit text, backspace to remove the text, and change the name as txt pay. This one, select this one, right click, change variable txt balance, and right click, edit text, backspace to remove the text. Right, this stuff you have to write. This one should be, select this one, text area, right click, change variable txt bill. You have to change the name as txt bill. Right, this stuff you have to do. Right, this is your empty one. Right, this is your empty one. Now what I am going to do is, here first I am going to go to the product code text box. This one, select this one, product code text box, select this one, right click, go to the event and key press event. Right, key press event, we have to write the code. Right, first what I am going to do is, here is first I am going to write the connection object. So connection con here. After that you have to write a prepare statement, object prepared statement, prepared statement pst. Right, now here we have to change this one as a, select this one and add import for Java SQL connection. No, don't add this one, add this namespace, import for Java SQL connection. Second one you have to add it as a Java prepare statement, not this one, MySQL JDB is not here, Java SQL prepare statement, you have to import them. Right, that's the stuff you have to do. Right, after that what I am going to do is, here right click, event action, sorry, key press event. Here you have to write it. Here you have to write first, if you have to get this value ebt dot get key code equal double equal key event dot vk. Here you have to write enter, you have to write like this, enter, see enter key. If you press enter key, what happen, you have to give here. Right, you have to write this one, open curly bracket and close curly bracket. Inside here you have to write, first one should be string, you have to write as a p code, you have to create the variable p code equal txt p code dot gettext. Right, what happen is, what the product code you entered here, this is a product code text box name, it is passing to the variable p code. Right, it's a right to left. Right, it's passing here, it's assigned to the variable p code. That's a thing happen. After that what I am going to write is, you have to write the class dot for name. Here you have to write a MySQL connector, so com dot MySQL dot jdbc driver, JDBC driver. Right. Now here it asks to import the try and catch here. After that we have to write another one for con equal driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write the connection here. So here we have to write as JDBC MySQL. You have to write MySQL. You have to write here as a localhost. You have to connect the localhost database here. The database localhost here, this one. Localhost. It's a table which name is EMP. Right. So here EMP, this is the table. Sorry, this is not this table. This is a table is sales post. This is a table, right? Sales post is a table, right? But sales post. You have to write sales post, and here sales post. Here we have to write as a comma root. It's a username, password blank for default in MySQL server. Right. That's the stuff you have to do. Right. So here it asks to another error. So you right click catch. Now the error go away. This is how you have to get the namespace. Right. You have to write the class like this. Okay. You have to give the name properly. This is your database name. Right. Inside the localhost you have a database here. Right. This is how you have to get it. After that simply you have to write the prepare statement query. So here to write PST means this prepare statement object PST equal. You have to write is con dot prepare statement. You have to write the query here. So you have to write select all from which table you have to. What is the table name? Product is a table name. Product where ID equal question mark. Right. This is the thing you have to write. Okay. Here after that what I am going to do is here we have to write as PST dot set string 1 dot here. This is a P code. Right. What is the product code you entered here? It passing the variable here. You have to call it here. It is go and check the product details here. Right. That's the stuff you have to do. After that we have to write the result set object. So we have to write the result set object here. So result set rs. Import the result set object. So here we have to write rs equal pst dot execute query. Right. This stuff you have to write. After that what I am going to do is I am going to check if rs dot next double equal false. If it is false, if the record is not available, the product ID is not available, you have to show the error as option pan dot show message dialog. You have to see this. You have to write here is product code not found. Product code not found. You have to get the error product code not found. Right. If it is available, else go to the else part. You have to write it here as you have to passing the relevant details into the relevant text boxes. Product name p name equal rs dot get string. Okay, we have to write as what is this name of this one. Product prod name price prod name. After that price. Control C copy, Control V to paste here price. You write price. This one should be price. Right. it's passing to the relevant text boxes. So here I'm going to write as a, what's the text box name, you have to pass it txt pname and txt price. This one should be, we have to pass the data. So this is the column of the database columns. The record should be this columns we are set into this variable. If you find the record, and the appropriate record will be stored in this here. It is passing to the relevant variable. This variable record we are passing the relevant text boxes. So these two text boxes are relevant one. So we have to write as txt pname text. So pname txt pname product name pname, right, pname dot setx. You have to setx, we have to write as a pname dot trim. After that, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one txt price, you have to write as this one as a this variable. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Price, right. Now let's run the program and check. Now here we didn't add anything else, so go to the insert. Let's click insert. Here we have to write first P001. This one should be, I'm going to give as ice price 50. This one should be P002 product. This one should be, I'm going to give as the name as bun. This one should be 30. Click go. Right, now your insertion successfully. Now let's find the things. So let's run the statement and find this. So we have to write P001, press enter key. What's the error? MySQL driver. Is there any error here? Right here, the problem is here. The problem is this one. I had a problem here. JDBC. Here we have tried JDBC dot driver. That's a problem. Here MySQL JDBC dot driver. So here let's run the program and check. P001, press enter key. Here it's displayed successfully. Right, I missed one dot, that's a problem here. Right, now here what I'm going to do is, after that go to the design. I'm going to this one, I will change it as a properties. The background of this text box, I'm going to change it as this one, as I give different color and give as a black color, and font color should be, I'm going to give as a different font color. I'm going to give as a, this font color I'm going to give as a yellow. It's make nice. Now let's go here and check. Here if you type the product code here, press enter key, here relevant details should be displayed here. You will be able to do here as well. Right, this one should be, you have to change the color as black or any color you have to change. Here it's, you have to put it as a different color. If you 2 bun, if you 3 no product available, press enter key, product code not found. Okay, that's the thing you have to do. Right, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is here, go back to our code. Product code display successfully. Another stuff is, we have to calculate the quantity and price. Relevant amount should be displayed here. Right, okay, let's here amount calculation. If I change the quantity, amount should be calculated here. Okay, so select the spinner tool here, spinner this one, right click, event, there will be the event change state change. This is the event. Okay, you have to select this one. Now here what I'm going to do is, here first you have to import to relevant variable. So this one should be the calculation part. You have to write as a int int. Your first one should be the quantity. This one should be, first one should be quantity equal, you have to write as quantity equal integer integer dot parseInt. Here we have to write as this one as a txt quantity dot, not get value, get text, get value here, get value dot toString. You have to convert as a toString, first one, right? What you are selecting on the quantity, it is passing to this variable. After that, int price equal integer dot parseInt. Here we write as a txt price dot getText, right? Now I am going to calculate the values. So int dot, I am going to create the variable dot equal quantity and price, right? Passing to the text box is a, so txt amount is a text field dot, sorry, what is a text field here? Give the name, right click, change variable, txt amount dot setText. Here we have to write as a first string dot, we have to convert to string value of, you have to write a dot, right? Okay, get the values here and you have to convert as a string here, so that you have to write the conversion as string dot value of. Now right, let's do this task and check. Run. Here it's working successfully. Here if you reduce, here if you run it, it's successfully here display, right? Perfect. Now let's back to our project. After that, after insert all the stuff, click add button. The details should be added into the data table here, right? Okay, let's check how to do the task. Select the add button, right click, event. Here we have to action performed. Here first what I am going to write is, here is first you have to write default table model, set model. You have to equal new default table, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, model, right? You have to create the object, this one. You have to create the model here, right? Import the namespace. After that, what I am going to write is here model equal this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, J table dot get model. So J table, so what's the name here? Right here, J table, right? J table 1, right? Not J table, J table 1, J table 1 dot get model, right? You have to write like this, right? Here you have to write as a model dot add row. Here we have to write as a new object array. Here we have to write this one below. You have to write open curly bracket and close curly bracket. You have to Control X to cut off this one, Control V to paste here as well, right? It's perfect. Now here you have to give what are the values you are going to add into the table below, right? So first one txt pcode dot getText, first one. After that, second one should be txt pname dot getText. After that, we have to get it as a txt quantity dot get value dot toString, comma txt price dot getText. These are the value we are going to add it into the data table, right? Txt price, quantity and price. These are the values we have to add it here. Name, quantity, price. Final should be amount. So here we have to write the final function should be the amount, txt amount dot getText. getx, right, perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here, after that we have to calculate the values. So first int sum equals 0 here. You write this here, write the for loop int I equals 0. After that I greater than j table 1 dot get row count here I plus plus. Here we have to write as this proof. Here is sum equals sum plus integer dot parseInt here at j table 1 dot get value at, here write as 4. This one should be 4, 0 1 2 3 4th position of amount, so you have to write as 4th right here, right, because the j table starting the position 0, this one should be 0 1 2 3 4, amount should be displayed 4th. For 4 amount here you have to calculate to get the final total. This one dot toString here, right, that's the stuff you have to do. Final total will be displayed here in which text box, this one. So here we have to txt total, so we have to write txt total dot select txt total. So I was wrong, tx total, right, I missed when my txt dot selects. Here we have to write as a total here, you have to give the total here, so you have to write as here as you have to write like this integer dot toString. You have to convert this way or possible, you have to write string of that value way or possible, this way or possible, convert to sum, right. Now let's run the program and check whether it's working fine or not. Here P001, press enter key, here it's added, price here it's added, all the stuff are correct. Now if you are enter the second one, press enter key, here it's added, here it's calculated successfully, right. This one should be there here. This is the loop I am going to write for that, right, simple loop I am going to write. Another stuff is I am going to clear the one once you enter the text box, it should be clear other values. So you have to write as a txt pcode dot setx to clear, Control C to copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be txt pname, third one should be txt price, final one should be, you have to clear as, after that focus on the txt pcode dot triggers focus, this focus the cursor, right, the stuff you have to do. Now let's check here P001, this one P002, enter key, right, here it will be amount didn't change, so amount also we have to Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be amount, txt amount, right. Now let's run the program and check P001 here, after that it will be clear, right, it is final total. If you second one, right, it should be added successfully, right, perfect. Now let's do the another stuff is here print receipt and pay bill, right, this stuff you have to do, right. Let's close, go to the source, here I'm going to create the separate function for that. I'm going to create a separate function, public void balance function. Right here the same thing, this one, the text change, this query, the same thing, validation query. Just control C copy, control V to paste here. This one should be, we have to, this one total, this one should be pay. Right, total should be, what is the text box, we have to, this one should be text box, so we have to get text. This one should be txt total dot get text. This one should be txt pay, text pay. Right, these are text box. So here total, this one should be pay. Right, now here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to get the balance, so I'm creating the variable bl. Here we have to write as pay. I'm going to minus it from the pay minus total. Right, this is a payable amount, we have to minus it total. So balance should be, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here variable, display on the txt bell text box, bell text box. Right, that's the time we have to do. Okay, here this is the txt text box, we have to give it a name. So pay, this one should be the pay. Right, what are the value entered display here, it is passing the relevant variable. We have to from the pay, we have to minus it this one. It's this calculation will be stored this here, we will be pass it to balance here. Right, that's stuff you have to do. This variable, Control C to copy. Here we have to write another simple button here. I didn't forget to write it. I need one simple button for here. I need a simple button, so drag one button from the palette. This one should be, name it as a, right click, edit text, bill. This name is bill. Right, this bill, print bill, we have to, let's write as in edit text, print bill. This one, right click, properties, font size, we have to change it as a bold, width 14th. Right, close it. Perfect. Right, now here right click, so we have to event action perform, we have to call it the balance function here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. P001, P002, so we have to write as, right now fill bill here, amount should be displayed here correctly. Now if you click print bill, here also balance and the receipt should be created here. Right, now let's check, let's see how to do the receipt created task. Right, now here the same button, here I'm going to write the receipt created stuff. Right, now here first what I'm going to, otherwise you have to create this one as a separate function. Right, here the separate function we have to write. So here write public void, you have to write as here as bill, bill, public bill. Right, here we have to write is, what I'm going to, first we have to write is, first we have to write a string total equal, you have to write total equal this one, txt total. Here I'm not going to any calculation part, so that I'm going to write simply the bill. We have to passing the value only, so that I wrote only for the like this, Okay, what is the error here? txt dot, right. After that, what I'm going to do is second one should be pay. You have to write as a second one should be, you have to write here is string pay and control C to copy, control V to paste here. Pay, this one should be pay, this one should be balance, this one should be txt pay, right. Okay, what are the value available in these text boxes? We passing to the variable. These variables we are calling to the receipt. So here we have to, after that we have to create the receipt. So after that we have to model, we have to load the model. So we have to write this one, this model, table model, right? So here we no need to write again by again, we have to copy this one. Without the model here, the same thing, you have to copy this one, control C to copy the same default table model, default this one. Here is same thing, you have to copy and paste it here. Here what I am going to do is here we have to write as a txt, what is the text box name, which name is txt bill. So we have to write txt bill dot setx settext. Here we have to write is text, we have to write is first this one, the same thing, txt bill dot gettext, we have to get text these values. So plus you have to write the first one should be, you have to write is this one, star sign, we have to get it the star sign, will look like this, right? Star sign will look like this. You have to write as a n mean next line. Okay, n mean next line, you have to write like this, right here. You have to write the star sign, you have to write like this. Okay, right, that's the stuff you have to do. First you have to start here, right, start here, right. This is bill statement. After that what I am going to do is here the same thing, you have to write the another stuff is here, same thing, you have to copy, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Here we no need to star sign, we have to write here as a need a this one. So we have to write as a simply we have to write as this one as a so something I am going to write a superpose, I just write a pos bill, right. This is the heading of that, it's the heading of pos bill. After that we have to write this one as a, after that we have to write as a the same thing, you have to control C to copy, control V to paste below, heading. After that we have to write the passing the values to here, right. So here what I am going to do is we have to first set into the heading, that's a must stuff for the set the heading. So here we have to get this one, control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one should be the heading. So we have the heading, right. Here we have to write as a this one should be bill text, right. Here is we have to, first one should be product, first you have to write as product, right. Product, first one should be product. After that we need a tab. How to write the tab on Java is you have to write like this, tab, right, tab, right, like this, plus the same thing you have to copy, control C to copy, control V to paste here, what I'm going to write is here as this one should be why here we have to be a plus. Here we need a plus. That's a problem. Right, here we need this one for the price. This one should be price. After that again we have to plus this one plus. You have to write as a same thing. You have to copy here, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be amount. You have to write amount. This is the header, right? We have to write like this. Okay, now after that we have to write one for header, and we have to finally we have to write this stuff. This is very important stuff. We have to write this one in same. Here's the right. It's the next line. Okay, it's next line. It's printed on the text box, right? This very important stuff you have to do, right? After that we have to write the for loop. Okay, let's check it whether it's working fine or not. Here what I'm going to do is here after that I'm going to check it. Ctrl C to copy this build function. I'm going to paste it this one here. Right click, event action perform. After the balance function you have to paste it this one as well. After that you have to, what I'm going to do is here select this print text area, this one, right click, properties, you have to change the font as this one, mono paste, this one, mono paste. Default size will be, you have to select, you can select as 13, its default is 13, you have to select 14. Let's check whether how it's look like. Let's run the program and check. Here 01 P002 pay bill pay, right? Here it displays successfully. Here it display the bill successfully. Here look like this, right? Now let's go to the code. Right, now let's here go to the source. Now here we have to do another stuff is here, go below bill. Here we have to remove this one, right? That's why, right? That's why it goes to next line. So you remove the right. Perfect. This one here is one. This one will be coming. One asterisk will be coming here. So this one should be the asterisk. You have to remove that, right? This one should be at the center, right? Perfect. Now let's do the another task. After that we have to write the for loop for int I equal 0. After that you have to write I less than model dot get row count. Here we have to write as I plus plus. That's the stuff you have to write. Sorry, right? Here you have to write, right? Now here we have to set into the relevant variables. You have to string first one should be product code, product. So product name. Here what are the rows available here? Product, this name, price and amount. So product name, this is a p name, right? It's a simple build, so you have to p name. You have to, what is the p name? You have to write string. You have to write string. Here we have to model dot get value at get the value at I. Here we have this I mean this one. You have to get here as what is the position of product name. Here what is the position? 0. Position 1 should be 1. So you have to write here as give as 1. After the same thing you have to Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, right? This one p price. So price, product price. This one should be price should be 0, 1, 2, third position. Final amount should be fourth position. This one should be amount. the same thing we have to write below. Right. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to the same thing, heading, you control C to copy, control V to paste here. Here we have to, this is the heading, you have to cut off this heading. Here you have to control C to copy, control V to paste this variable. Not here, we have to inside the, you have to control X to cut off, inside the for loop you have to paste it here. Now it's work, right. After that control X to cut off, control C to copy this one, price, control V to paste here, remove this one and paste it here. Here we have to this heading, you have to paste it, control C to copy and control V to paste here. Right, this is how it will be displayed. Right, perfect, perfectly done. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to leave 2 spaces, so control C to copy this one, control V to paste after the loop, out of the loop, okay, for loop, okay, for loop is entered here, right. Here we now need that this one, we just one line spaces available, 2 line spaces we will give, control C to copy, this is the next line, okay, 2 line spaces we have to give blank 2 line spaces. After that what I am going to write is here is, we have to write the control C to copy, control V to paste here, we have to get the total amount like this. So we have to, how to get it here, we have to write as a tab key, so we have to write tab 1 tab key, plus we have to need another tab key, right. After that we have to write the subtotal, here we have to write as a subtotal, subtotal, right. Subtotal we have to write here is, you have to write plus, you have to write as this one, subtotal we have to write like this here, this is total, right. So total you have to control C to copy, control V to paste here, right. That's the stuff you have to write. After that we have to write the end, next line, right. The subtotal mean this one, this subtotal we have to, right. This is a pay, this is a bill, so the same thing you have to control C to copy, control V to paste here below. This one should be pay, this one should be balance, so pay variable is a balance variable, right. This is how you have to do, create the bill, right, simple, right. This thing we have to do. Finally what I am going to do is here the same thing we have to get it here, control C to copy, control V to paste here. We need one extra line space, control C to copy, control V to paste here as well. So here we need another, this one we have to copy the heading here, control C to copy this one, control V to paste here. This one should be, we have to write as a thank you, you have to write as capital, thank you, come again, okay, right. That's the stuff you have to write. Simply write the bill like this, simple. We remove the one line here, we don't need this one, simple, right. Simple bill. Okay, let's check whether it's working fine or not. If you write once this one, you have to copy and reuse one, okay. The same thing, I just copy this heading and put into here, thank you, come again. This is all the stuff, right one. This simple bill we have to create like this, right. Have to write like this, right. Now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. Here we have to write P001, P001, P002, right. Here we have to pay the bill, pay here, it's working successfully. Here it's long bill, here you have to write like this, simple, here perfectly you have to print the bill like this, okay. You will be able to print the bill this one. I put one button and print the bill, okay, print, okay. So let's close the stuff, go here. I'm going to put one button here. Here we have to, this one we have to edit text, change this one as a bill. Otherwise you can print itself. I just put separate button and fit, then you will be able to understand. So print. So you have to, so here we have to change the font size as bold with 14th character. Right, okay, it's a print. We better print, right. Now you right click, event, action performed. Here you have to write like this, print. What is the text box? txt bill. This is text area name. Dot. There will be the function print. Pri. It's a print. You have to call this function, right? That's the stuff you have to do. It show the error. You right click, surround on the try and catch. The error go away. Now you have to select this one. If you want to print, you click this one. This bill has been printed to your machine, right? Here, press here, right. Now here, if you this one, click bill. If you want to print the bill, you just hit print button. You will be able to print the bill. Here, it automatically select the printer. Click print. This receipt will be printed on your machine, right? Okay, I hope you understood my tutorial well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.